What's good, YouTube, man? We back in with another fucking video. Y'all already know my Daj back in with another fucking video. So, y'all, we got something. I'm finna push this hoe so I can hit. Like you see, the cats. Alright, my bad, y'all. Anyway, let me start my video. What's up, y'all? So, we got the tune, right? It's a full tune. It got purple in it, but I still got my cats on, so you know, like, it's not really gonna pop, but it popped, like, for sure. It popped, y'all. Like, y'all just gotta hear it, but it popped. It for sure popped. I'm gonna give y'all a little pull, like, when I, like, cause all this wind probably, like, irritating, so I'm gonna give y'all a little pull, man. I need gas, so I'm not really gonna be doing that much pulls, cause I need gas, and right now, I'm not getting gas, so yeah. But anyways, y'all on our way to the exhaust place to go get cats off. I gotta take them off anyways, cause they damaging, you know, the cats that I got, they just damaging them, so like, I gotta take it off, so. Hope my car sound good, I ain't gonna lie. I hope it don't sound terrible, cause you know, some cars just, fat ass pothole. Some cars just not good, you know, when cats off. Hope my shit good. Fuck you looking at? Fuck ass stupid fuck nigga. Fuck nigga. Anyways, I'm gonna give y'all a little pull like right here, bro. When all these cars come past. But yeah, we got the tune. I'm gonna let them go a little more, then we gon' pull. 1, 2, 3, let go. Y'all heard that? So imagine if I take the cats off. I mean, I know it was popping, you know, like before then, but it's popping like you can hear, like it's a pop, like it's an official pop. But I'm about to see, y'all. We finna just take the cats off, bro. You know, let's just take the cats off. Ain't nothing to be scared about. I'm trying to see, should I get? Oh shit, I'm breaking, nigga. Go. What the fuck is wrong? But yeah, I'm trying to see, should I get gas? I'm right here. Nah, we should be fine. I'm not pushing no more, but shit, I'm not going through that hell. Shit, cops be hanging all right there. That's why I look like that. Shit, but yeah. Anyways, y'all got my phone right now. That's why the angle kind of weird. But anyways, y'all, I just gotta work, just so y'all know too. But anyways. We finna go to this muffler shop, and I should meet y'all there. Yeah, I should meet y'all there. So yeah, give me a minute. What's good, YouTube, man? I know I'm gonna continue the video. So I went up to the place, correct? And I placed my appointment. I put my down payment down because it was kind of late going up there. So like they closed at 4. I went about there after work, so I got off at like about 2. So yeah, but I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. Half start, you know, because you see it's frost on the car. We on our way up there. It's like 7 in the morning. Yeah, got my brother so he can pick me up and drop my car off. Y'all a little cold start since it's cold, and it's probably gonna be the last start with this. You know, before we take the cat off. Cold now. It's starting to get cold. So I can see that boy's coming out. Cause obviously, you know, the fuel. Since I got that tune, more fuel. My bad, things did some dumb shit. But I'll see y'all when we actually up there at the place. This hoe was loud. So imagine we take the cats off. I'll see y'all when we go up there, man. Alright, y'all. I know I didn't give y'all no view when we was. I'm just now getting it, man. Shit. Fuck folks. Let's go get my car, man. Go pay for this shit. But yeah, y'all. Hope it sound good, man. But yeah, I took it up here. Where's they sign at? They ain't got no sign? Shit, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, y'all. We gonna see how it sound, man. Oh, bro. Nah, y'all. This how it sound, man. The cat off. Cat off. that sound like a my bad, but yeah, this thing sound good. I like it. But yeah, I'm finna roll out of here. Appreciate it, bro. I'll get y'all rest when we get to the crib. I'll probably get out POV drive. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna leave y'all like that. I'm gonna get out POV drive. So yeah. Let me I'll show y'all when we get on the street, man. Take off. Give me a minute. Alright, y'all, now it's time to yo, it's so loud as fuck. Got a little pull, man. Now that whole sound good. Now that whole sound like it's supposed to sound, bro. Own brother. Woo! That whole sound good, bro. I ain't gonna bap. Love my brother. That shit sound good. That whole sound too good, bro. I'm having fun with that bitch. Alright, let me try. We ain't got no type of bro. Alright. I'm about to unlock. I'm about to roll down the back window. See y'all, bro. We gonna do this. I gotta read this hoe. I'll put it down for y'all, bro. Oh my God, this hoe sound good. I ain't gonna lie. I like it. I like it at least, right? That's all that matters.
Testing.
But do y'all like it? Like, I ain't gonna lie. I only took the cats off. Just so y'all know. Damn, bro, come on. Drive that hoe, bro. You take it all day. But where's the pops at, bro? That's the thing, bro. Hold on, bro. I gotta, like, really. It's not really warm. I ain't gonna lie. It's probably not even just sitting. Probably not warm. I'm pissed though. Like, no check engine light, like he said, cause we took off. We disabled all codes. So yeah, they took my line in my plates. Nigga, ain't no codes. They don't know that though. This all sound good to me though. This nigga, bro. It's always that one nigga, man. Come on. This whole sound good to me though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to warm it up a little, at least, bro. Yeah, I like it. Like I said, I like it. So for my brother, bro. That whole loud, bro. I'm destructing the neighborhood. Fuck them, right? Oh, that shit sound good. Go ahead, nigga. I like it. That's all that matters. Fuck the neighbors, you know? I mean, shit, nigga, leave me alone. The fuck was that? Bro, y'all heard that? Somebody probably cussed me out in Spanish. Wow, I like it, but it's not loud to me in the car, obviously. It's in the car. We not outside. So yeah, they probably. I mean, but it's decent, bro. I mean, but it's decent, bro. I like it. I like it, bro. I like it. That shit. Fucking V8. It's not a V8. It's so y'all know. This ain't sound good, bro. It's me. But yeah, I'm gonna have my brother get out some revs because I wanna let y'all hear it. Revs, because we didn't get the revs yet. So yeah, let's go ask something quick. Let's go out here. Can you give me some revs? It stink for sure. It smell like gas. But the cat's off, bro. Let me show you the whole cat. The cat's off, bro. No check engine light. I got it disabled when I got my tune, bro. It's the cat. It's one little cat. Yeah. Grab that hoe. Hope I ain't scaring my neighbors. They'll be fine. I ain't doing shit in the house. So, give me a minute. Yup, it's loud. That boy loud. It's loud. That bit loud. Now I want you to drive it though. I want to hear it from the outside. Oh, close that door over there. I'm gonna drive it like around, like yeah. Neighbors don't be, oh shit, should I turn your car off? You left your car on. You want your car on? Oh. Go ahead, drive it. Damn. Scared to drive it. Hold on, y'all. Damn. Sound good to me. I like it. I wish he would have drive it. He's scared to drive it. Like, just go ahead, bro, drive it. Anyways, yeah, we gotta wait till he come back around. But this nigga scared to really push it. I want him to push it. Like, I don't know. I'm just probably a little crazy, but like, we gotta push it a little more. But yeah, y'all, I like it. I mean, to me, it don't sound no different, but it sounds different. I mean, I don't want it too loud, because if it sounds too loud, then it's gonna sound terrible. So no. But yeah, y'all, now you wait, man. There you go. Damn. I know y'all heard that. That sound good. Definitely sound good. Now you come back, bro. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna end the video off when I get my car back. I gotta warm it up. But yeah. I mean, I like it. You say you think it's loud before? Look at that scatty. Come on, bro, you gotta do something. You gotta do something. Oh, bro. You let him front on you like that? I'll tell him, man. He don't want to drive. It's too late now, bro. It's too late now, bro. You should have pushed it anyways. Well, I don't want to hear it. But you should have pushed it down now. I'm like, push it. When? Go ahead. Push it. Push it now. Just go ahead. Go ahead. Drive it. Like, drive it. I don't care. That speed humps is messing it up, though, but he can push it now still. Pops? I told you. Them pops crazy. Still can hear, but that scatty did something for my child. That scatty, that's something. Come on, you gotta do something. Scatty? Yeah, that scat pack. You didn't see it? Scat pack. That wasn't the RT or nothing. That was the scat pack. Yeah. Still can hear it popping over there. I like it at least. Ain't somebody gonna get away. It's hot out here. Jesus Christ. Man, I hope not. All right, bro, we done. We good. Thing definitely sound good. I like it. But yeah, y'all. I hope y'all like it. I like it. That's the cat over there. Took the cats off, man. I kept the resonators. I just took the cats off. Right up. Like I ain't see it, but you can. Yeah, you can hear it. Pop. One of the holiday. But yeah. More to come for this car. I'm trying to get that supercharged. My uncle got it. He got a supercharged Pontiac. He don't drive it. I'm trying to get that one, so I can bring that to the channel. But yeah, y'all. I hope this video was good, man. Mighty J, man. Mighty J signing out, nigga.